What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. This is a Alphalete, a mini unboxing for the November launch. What I'm wearing now is the Aspire cutoff in black, as well as I got the Aspire short sleeve in like dark gray. So I'll try that one on here in a little bit. But yeah, I only got two things for me. My girlfriend got me some joggers as well as another shirt. She got me the fitted. It's like is it gray? I think it's gray. Fitted shirt with no logo. There's the Alphalete, name on the back, and there was also a cap shoulder. I guess you want to say that. I think it's cap shoulder that they dropped that I wasn't too interested in. But yeah, this is like part A, like part 1, and part 2 will be whenever that stuff comes in to her house. So yeah, this shirt, I wanted it in black. I do have a lot of black shirts, but like black's my favorite color as far as clothing goes. It fits really well. I like it a lot. I think it's hard to describe how the improvements they've made on their clothing. Let me show you like the very first shirt that I got from Alphalete. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so it's this red one. It's just their regular performance shirt. I got this. This is like the very first Alphalete shirt I bought. I'm gonna skip this, that way I can. So yeah, this is the very first one I bought. And the material, like as far as like this one only stretches to a certain like degree, but like this one can like I feel like this one stretches a lot more. Like it's just like I don't know, so you can see how far like it just stretches more, in my opinion, as far as, and it feels a lot softer. I don't know, compared to this one. I mean, this one has been washed a lot, but still, regardless, this one feels a lot better. I feel like they're improving their material every time, which I don't know, it's a good thing as a company to have that. And yeah, so I mean, I think it's 95 cotton, 5% something else. I don't know if it's like a spandex type thing. That's what it feels like to me. I have the receipt in the car. I could go look at it, but you get my point. It's super soft. Like if you like, this is what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a Hollister Abercrombie type thing. I know it sounds weird. It's hard to describe. Like that's what came to mind when I felt it. But like, that's just the best way I could put it. I mean, just picture that. Like, I don't know. I'm being weird at this point. But yeah, I'll try on this other shirt now. So this is the first one. I'll stand up, I guess, if you would like. Let me adjust the camera real quick. Okay, so this is it. Like I said, it's super freaking stretchy. This is the back, and it doesn't come too high up on the neck. I guess it covers most of the the trap area. Like, let's lower it down. Like right here. This is like as far as it'll go, really. So I mean, it's perfect for me. I mean, I've never really worn like shirts like these because I never had muscles to show it off. I mean, I still don't have the muscles I want currently, but like I'm better than what I was. And this is a medium, by the way. I'm 6 foot, 180 pounds. So yeah, I'll try on the other shirt now. All right, this is the other shirt. It is the Aspire like short sleeve. I think I already told you that. In dark gray. The material, like I said, it's like unique. I don't know. It's what is it? It's hard to describe. It reminds me of the like I said, Hollister Abercrombie type thing, but like if you know, you just gotta like. It just feels super great. Like it's worth the money. These are only like $30. Like that's a really good deal, I think, in my opinion. Let me show you standing up. It's basically like the cutoffs, except with sleeves, obviously. But yeah, here it is. Like I said, 6 foot, 180 pounds. The logo is like, I can't even, probably won't even focus, but it's like a geo print. Hold up. I don't know if you can tell if it's rising, but it is rising. Okay, it's like pretty stuck on there. And yeah, their Black Friday, like I said, is coming up this Friday. They're bringing back the gold and black shirts. I'm gonna cop a shitload of stuff from there. It's gonna be a good time. I love their clothes. They keep coming back. And the only thing I have, that's another video. I'll talk about it in another video. But yeah, those are the two shirts I got. Part A, part B will be coming whenever my joggers get here, as well as my other shirts. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. It should be like what I'll do, I think, is I'll upload a gameplay, Call of Duty related, for the next video, and then after that, it'll be the part 2 to this. So, yeah, thank you.